Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips and tricks for the Xiaomi Redmi 12R. So first of all, we can start from this photo mode, and as you can see right here, we can use the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. When you click on the volume up, you can take photo with the 2 seconds delay. The same for the volume down. When you click and hold one of this button, you will record short video to like 15 seconds. When you click on this arrow, you can go to the settings, and in the settings you can basically customize this function. So you can switch from this timer to the zoom, for example. And take a look right now. When you click and hold the volume up, you can smoothly zoom in and also zoom out. Okay, and the second tip will be about the brightness adjustment. So when you click on the screen once, you can find this sun icon and you can increase or decrease the brightness level manually or automatically by tapping on the screen once. Next, let's move forward and let's tap on this arrow. And as you can see right here, we can enable the voice shutter. So when you turn it on, you have to say cheese and the photo will be taken. So let's try cheese. And there we go. As you can see, it is working. One of the last tip will be about the photo quality. So if you want to get more details on your photos, I will recommend you to go for this 50 megapixel mode. It's just right here. Then click on the screen, tap on the shutter. Now wait a little bit for the post-processing and take a look. When you make the same photo with the normal camera mode, you will find that on this HD mode you can find definitely more details. Okay, and the last tip, just go on this icon one more time, and as you can see, we can also find the settings icon where we can use the tap to take photo. So it's basically touch photography. Right now you can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. So for example, if you hold your phone with your one hand, you cannot reach this bottom shutter, you can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. And that's all 5 camera tips and tricks for the Redmi 12R. Hope you like it.